Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Friday, May 29th. I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 entries. We actually had a 7th, but it was the break even, so I'm not going to count that one. And 7 entries actually, if we can count the TF. So I'm going to go through real quick what we did today, and so because we're going to end the week, we had a really good day. I'm going to go through everything. Now, at the open here, I called the power play long. I told everybody this must be extremely small, half or a quarter size, okay, because there's a ZL here, so there was a chance it might get up to at least this first line here, and clearly that wasn't going to happen right at the open. I mean, most people were not in the trade, but there was a couple people in. We added down here. We got long at 18 quarter. We added at 16 quarter, and then we got out at 17. I told everybody to just get out. I wasn't going to play with it. We got out at 17. We lost 3 ticks on the trade. Again, a small position, and that was a small loser there. It was not a full stop. Market came down. We got short at 21.14 at 8:45. That produced a 1.5. It was, so let's call it a point. Anybody who would have tried to hold on that would have been taken out for a break even, but anybody who you would have gotten a point first on that. Then again, we hit it short again. We were looking for shorts the whole time. I told everybody once they got below my line here that the thing was coming down to this circle area here, which is exactly what happened. But we had it was banging around here for a while. So again, we got short again. 14 at 9:06. Okay, that one worked out for. That one worked out for 2 points, okay, and I said, look, you either hold it here on your runner, give your runner a point still, okay, because they're going to keep banging down on this. I said, so if you can stay in the trade, stay in the trade. For those who got out of the trade and didn't stay in the trade after this and were out, I said that we had an understanding trade. If the market printed 21.12 quarter, we were going to get long 20 or short 21.13. This is on the 9:18 candle. We did get short there 21.13, and once this thing closed below there, it was game over, and we took this down to the 8 quarter 7 area here, and then my next stop was 21.04. Actually, this was not a target, the 2100s, because it had to get below 2101.75, which it never did. So that was not actually a missed target. We had a lot of stuff going on today here, and that was a beautiful trade there. Okay, beautiful trade. Then we had a power play. I said this one should be good at least for a couple points up to my circle here. Everything made sense. So we got long here at 10:18, 21:06. Took that up, made a couple points there. Go to entry. You would be stopped out at entry in your runner, but you'd made a couple points first. Then, when things were coming up here, when this big green candle came in, I was actually answering a bunch of questions in the room. Did not see this was actually takeable. I'll get to the TF in a second, but this was actually takeable in the TF. We did not take it. I waited till it got up here. We took an S play up at 875. Okay, after the 10:51 candle, I said, actually when we were over here, I had my circle up here. I said, I removed it and put it back. I said, this is where the market wants to go. So I said, let's try it again. Everything makes sense. They'll probably go up there and tag that before lunch. And 875, 975, 1075, another couple points there to the target. And as we're sitting here, we left and went to lunch. And as we're sitting here now, we have not gotten above there. In the TF, only one opportunity. That was a power play short 12.46. I had 3 targets here, guys. It actually went down to 38 area. I told everybody to get out at 41. So from 46 to 41, that's 50 ticks. We took 15, 30, and then 50. And there was nobody in the trade at that point, I don't think. I believe I did ask down here. But in any event, the trade actually traveled about 70, 80 ticks. but we'll call it 50. And we're done for the week. So great way to end the week. We're going to come back tomorrow or on Monday and do it all over again. Until then, guys, have a great weekend.